Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in last video we converted uh, text into audio or speech. If you have not seen that video, please go back and check that video out. This will be the continuation of that video. So in earlier video we used Google text to speech to convert this text into audio file, and we save this audio file into formats .mp3 and .wav. So in today's video, again what we'll do, we'll convert this audio file into text. So this is like a reverse conversion. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first we will import speech recognition library. So let's start it. So pip install, then speech recognition, and PyDub also we will need. PyDub I think I have already installed, but still I am giving because you should be aware that what are the libraries which we are using in this tutorial. So first we have successfully installed speech recognition and PyDub. Now we will go ahead. Now what we'll do, first we'll import the speech recognition. As SR, because this is a long name, so I'm just using alias here. Now next thing what we'll do, we'll initialize the recognizer. So initialize recognizer. So here we'll first initialize the recognizer. For initializing the recognizer, we'll create a recognizer function or recognizer variable, and for this variable we will give this sr.recognizer. So we have created our recognizer here. So this is a variable which will recognize the text from our audio. Now let's first load our audio file. So load audio file. So here we will load our audio file. So we'll again use same. So in sr.audio file, and here inside I will pass the audio file name. So we are already having audio file as audio.wav. On the left side you can see, and this we will mark as a source. So this is our source for conversion. Then we'll print that we started listening the audio file or loading audio file. So here we are loading the audio file. So I will create one audio variable. Here we will give recognizer dot record and our source audio file. So here this is the recognizer we created for recognizing the audio, and we are using from the recognizer we are using the record function, and here we are passing the audio file which we have saved as a audio.wav. Now let's recognize. So we'll create a try catch block. So now we'll give one print. So here we'll give that we are recognizing. Here we are recognizing audio file. Now we will save the text in one text variable. So for that we'll use our recognizer and dot recognize Google function. And here we'll pass our audio. So this will recognize the text from our audio sample and it will store into text variable. Now we will print this text. I will just format a little bit, and then I will print the text variable. And suppose if we couldn't understand the audio, then it will catch us. So expect, so what we will do, we will catch that as well if you're not recognizing any audio. So we will give unknown value error here, and here we will print that could not understand audio. And this will print. So let's see whatever we have stored in this particular audio file will be printed here. So we will execute our program. So it is loading an audio, then it's recognizing the audio file, and here you can see this is the text which is present inside this audio.wav file. Hello, this is a sample audio file for speech recognition tutorial, and if you can see, this is the same text which we have provided. If I change the text here, I will just remove this to both audio files so that I can create new files. So what I will do, I will give text as a please like, share, subscribe. Okay, so now this is a new text which I am passing. I will execute the earlier code again. I will save as audio, then I will save as a .wav file. Now MP3 file created, WAV file also created. Now what we will do, we will execute this program again. Now it should print that please like, share and subscribe, because we have just changed the text which we have saved inside this audio file. So let's run again. So you can see it's successfully able to detect the modified text. So our code is working fine. So that's it for this video. We'll see more audio processing tutorials in next sessions. Till then, bye. Make sure to hit the like button, subscribe button, and make sure to stay connected. Thank you.